There's a breath that moves through all things, and when I stopped running from it, I found the journey had already begun. From the mountains of Thailand to the stillness of the forest, I followed the breath, not hunger, not fear, just breath. This isn't about leaving the world behind, it's about remembering how alive it really is. Every breath is a prayer, every step a return to peace.